I like the Lanzhou food, especially Lanzhou beef noodle, which she named as Nurumian. I eat it almost in a week 5 times, and I start by every morning before I go to my office eating beef noodle because it is really delicious. In fact, Lanzhou reminded me by a lot of sense with Egypt, in the culture, in the atmosphere, also with the people. When I react with the people in the street, they smile, they say hello, I say hello, sometimes ni hao, ni hao. I was born near to Cairo in 1987. Following by education in my country, I spent 10 years in South Korea doing my master, PhD, followed by a postdoc and assistant professor in Hanyang University, South Korea. I was observing the rapid development of China. Then after 10 years, I thought to change. Then I was thinking, should I stay in Korea or go to China or go to Japan? Then after all, I decided to choose China because of their rapid and quick development among a lot of choices I have. Now I have 5-star card. So how this make difference in my life in China? For example, now when I go to the airport and I showed the 5-star card to the officers there and workers, they said me, now you are Chinese citizen, you can go to the Chinese lands. It was really incredible point in my life to get the 5-star card. China is a good place for me to grow up and apply the research which we are doing. What we are doing is converting the waste to something valuable so that we can have a homogeneous relationship between the human and the nature and environment. And in fact, I can see China are really doing good and developing faster in that sector for waste utilization, recycling, and so on, which makes the environmental healthy and clean. And I can see for example, the environmental of Lanzhou has been improved a lot now compared to 7 years ago. I joined the Lanzhou University in September 2018. I told them, okay, can we start the work here? They said, okay. Within a couple of days, over the weekend, they prepared the office and everything. We established a good lab, international lab now, consists of almost 20 students from 8 countries, such as China, Pakistan, India, African, such as Nigeria, Rwanda, and so on. Okay, like that. So if you look carefully to this chart, every day I come almost between 8 to 9 a.m. So the first thing I do, I go to lab to check the experiment and the student and discuss with some student about the progress in experiment. I always tell the graduated student like that, okay, you will be our ambassadors or the messengers. So you have to work hard in Lanzhou and you have to dedicate and focus on your study in Lanzhou University. Here Lanzhou is a cultural actually city, which I really like. Egypt and China, this is the oldest civilization. So when we move here and see the buildings, see the museums, I feel okay, like Egyptian, old civilization, both these nations. And I would like to really mention that the civilization and the country should work together peacefully, and people should love each other, because we need to make this earth and our planet develop in a state of such fighting or such wars like that. Everything can come with a peace, and really this is what I love in China policy. Going with the peace is better than going with fight and wars. One thing I learned in China is to drink a green tea and warm water, because in Egypt we usually drink cold water. But And that time I have some stomach issue when I drink cold water. But after I came to China and I used to the warm water, like what they do in the meeting, all teachers, some of students having some bottle and they have warm water. So I used to it now and I feel my stomach is better. And every day, once I go to my office, I make the green tea. My first son, he was born in South Korea in 2012. And the second son, he was born in China. My wife was born in Saudi Arabia, and I was born in Egypt. We were born in different countries. So we think we are a globalized family. My first son speaks 4 languages. He writes Chinese, he reads Chinese. His life almost all Chinese now. And my second son, he has 6 years old now, and he also started to learning Chinese. And sometime I tried to speak Chinese with them. They said, "Oh, Dad, your Chinese is so poor." I asked them, "Okay, can you please teach me?" And we have such kind of joke together. So my expectation about my future here, to keep working hard, because I learned from China to work hard as well as to stay happy, both. So here I would like to stay maybe 20 years more or till my retirement, going with the different aspects in the research in environmental science.